Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how to create a header in the free version of Elementor. So as you can see here on my screen, I have our website, like a demo website here, but as you can see, there is no header on this website. So what we're going to do is build out a header for this website. So the first thing we're going to do is come over here to the top and go down to Dashboard. Once you're in the WordPress dashboard, come over here to Appearance on the left navigation menu and go over to Customize. Now for this video tutorial, I am using the Hello theme by Elementor. If you have some other theme installed, the steps should be the same for the most part, but some things might be in different places if you're using a different theme. But for this video, I am using the Hello theme by Elementor. Okay, next thing we're going to do is along the left hand side, you're going to see second to bottom link, header and footer. Go ahead and click on that, and then you're going to click Start Designing. Alright, so now you're in the site settings, which should look pretty familiar to you. You're going to come down here to Hello Theme Header and click on that. And then at the top where it says Site Logo, you're going to switch that to Show. And then for menu, if you already have a navigation menu set up, you can go ahead and show that as well, and your navigation menu will appear at the top. Come all the way down and you'll see where it says Site Logo. If you click on that, it'll say Type. Most likely it's by default it's set to Title. Switch it to Logo. And then here where it says Go to Site Identity to manage your site's logo, click on Site Identity. Come down here where it says Site Logo, hit the plus sign, and upload your logo. I'm going to upload one that I have in the media library. I'm going to select that, and then I'm going to come down here and hit Save Changes. Once you hit Save Changes, just hit refresh on your browser. And as you can see, the logo is right here. Now we can come back on the left hand side and go to the Hello theme header once more. And then you're going to go all the way back down to where it says Site Logo. And then from here you can adjust the logo width. So I'll set this to maybe, let's see, 165. I think that looks good. And then next to that, you'll see that there's a menu here. We can customize the menu. Just click on Menu. And you can actually change to whatever menu you want to use. So if you have, you can choose your menus from here where it says Menu, and then select whatever navigation menu you want to create. You can also click here where it says Go to the Menu Screen, and this will take you to the menu system within WordPress, and you can build out additional menus and change the menu here. Okay, now here you have the menu layout, which is you can either have horizontal or drop down. Drop down will look similar to what it would appear on a mobile device. By default, mobile devices will automatically use the drop down, assuming you have your everything set to the default settings. It'll automatically use this for mobile. We'll go ahead and keep it on horizontal. And then here you can actually change the color of your fonts. So say if you want to have a different color font, we want to use blue, we can come up here and change that to blue, whatever color you like to use. So we'll go ahead and style this up a little bit and make it look nice. Okay, so as you can see, we got the navigation menu looking pretty good. And now if you want, we can add like a background color behind the header. So to do that, let's come down here and first save our changes. And then we'll go, let's see here, we'll go up to where it says Site Logo. Nope, actually it is not there. Let's go back. So let's go all the way back and go back into Theme Header. And then down here where it says background type, you see color. We can adjust the background color here. So since I'm using a a black logo, I want to use a lighter color. Alright y'all, so what I actually did was I paused the video just for a moment and I actually uploaded the white version of my logo. So now instead of using a light color, we can choose from a darker color and make our header look really cool. So, okay, so I think this blue actually looks really nice. Alright. Okay, so now what we need to do is adjust the links or the font color for the menu system, because the black doesn't look as easy to read now. So for that, we're going to come down here, scroll down to menu, and then here we can just change the color. So we can set that to white. I think white looks good, or we could even use like a light gray. Let's see. I think white looks best. So we'll go ahead and leave it to white, and then come over here and save changes. Okay, perfect. And then we'll just come up here where it says preview changes and we'll take a look at how it appears in the web browser. And there we go. And that is how you create a professional header in the free version of Elementor. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification to be notified when I come out with future videos.